if you're like me and you have fine hair, you need this. It's the Color Shampoo. As you can tell, it's hair wash day for me. But it's only in the past maybe year I've realised that certain shampoos and conditioners really weigh my hair down, and it's because they can leave residues and like films on your hair, whereas this shampoo is 100% like clean, sulfate free, residue free, so it stops your hair from getting so dull. And obviously if you're blonde like me as well, that's like a real issue too. Like there's only so much purple shampoo can do, let's be real. But yeah, this is so good. Like it literally makes my hair really clean, really shiny, and it means that I can go longer without washing my hair. I can go maybe like 3-4 days with this shampoo, whereas usually if I was to get maybe like a popular brand from Tesco's or something, I would have to wash it the next day, like no joke. But I will show you how shiny and clean this makes my hair. Obviously I've styled my hair, but as you can see, it's nice and clean. It's feeling really fresh. It doesn't feel weighed down. It just feels really clean. And this will last until at least Saturday now, so 3 days, maybe even Sunday.